In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you visit the official Marvel Rivals website, you will be able to see all of the platforms in which the game is available, so PC, PlayStation, and then Xbox consoles. I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the game on your PlayStation console. I'm gonna showcase this process on the official website, which adds the game into your account's library, and you will be able to download it on your console. However, you can also just follow along by opening the PlayStation Store directly on your PlayStation 5. Something that I need to make very clear is that if you go into the PlayStation Store and you look for Marvel Rivals, what you will notice is that it is going to be the top result. You click on it, but then it is going to tell you that it's only available for PlayStation 5. So if you try to do this whole process by going over to the PlayStation Store and looking for the game on a PlayStation 4, you will not be able to find it. As it stands today, Marvel Rivals is only available for next or new gen consoles, so PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series S or X. The PlayStation 4 is simply too old at this point, and most developers are not going to be making new games to it. Even though it might be capable of running the game, the developers have decided to skip it altogether, so as it stands today, you will not be able to play it on a PlayStation 4. With that warning out of the way, keep in mind that there is no workaround to this. You will only be able to access Marvel Rivals on a PlayStation 5. But once you actually find the game by going over to the PlayStation Store or the website, choose the option to add it to your library. It is entirely free to play. You will have microtransactions inside of the game, so the battle pass, you will be able to buy champion skins, heroes, outfits, and so on. But to actually play, it's as simple as adding the game into your library and downloading it right away. You will be able to access all of the online modes and play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.